Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews, and today I'm going to do something a little different. A few of you have sent me TikTok recipes, so I thought I would give them a try today, and I'm going to do 3 different ones, but I'm going to post 3 separate videos. I'm going to post them all today. So if you're not interested in one, you don't have to watch it. Also, at the end of each video, I have a Christmas movie quote question for you. If you're not interested in the video, just go to the end and get the movie quote and see if you know the answer. You win nothing, but it's just fun to play. Alright, so the first one I want to do is Cool Whip cookies. First of all, I don't know why I've never heard of this recipe. It's super easy. It is cake mix, any cake mix of your choice, any flavor, whatever you want. Of course, Cool Whip. You need Cool Whip. It's in a Cool Whip cookie. And 1 egg and some powdered sugar. And that's it. Once again, how have I never heard of this? I don't know, but it is. Look it up all over TikTok. I think this is great because you can do them so many different ways. I saw one that was just vanilla cake mix, but then they separate, once they mixed it all up, they separated and colored the cookies like red and green. So they were like Christmas crinkle cookies, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, so I thought chocolate fudge would be good. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so let's get started. All right, like I said, I'm gonna start with my chocolate cake mix. So you wanna preheat your oven to 350. Put my egg in first. Egg, 1 egg. Then the Cool Whip. This is the 8-ounce Cool Whip. Make sure it's thawed out. All right, and that's all that goes in here, so you just mix this up. Oh boy. I think this is going to be pretty sticky. Maybe I should have done this recipe last. I think it's going to be the messiest. Slowly coming together. So I read this is going to be pretty sticky. So once this is mixed up, I'm going to take like 1.5 tablespoons and drop it into the powdered sugar. So I've seen some recipes say 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, others say 1 cup. I just went with a little, it's almost 1 cup. It doesn't really matter. You're just going to like roll the cookie in it. That's pretty stiff. Pretty stiff. You know I'm going to taste it. Don't do this at home, kids. Tastes like a brownie to me. Alright, I've decided to save myself or my hands from getting so nasty. Well, I guess it wouldn't be nasty, but you know, sticky. I just got a scoop. I think this is a 1.5. So. Alright. It being like 1.5 tablespoons, but whatever you have, you flop it. I'll start with 2 because I've never done this, so I want to see. I guess the key is to get the powdered sugar on there so you don't touch it. So you just drop it on the pan. You can see that. Ooh, that's a lot of powdered sugar. I'm supposed to have that much. All right, keep going. You know, I almost feel like I have too much on here. I'm gonna, hold on. All right, let me try again.
I have too much on there.
I would stick with just a couple at a time, but all right. So time to bake them. 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. Fingers crossed. Cookies are done. And look, they look picture perfect. Look at that. They smell really good too. So the first batch, I was afraid to overcook them. So the recipe called for like 12 minutes. I think I baked them maybe 10 and a half. But then the second batch I baked for 12 minutes. So there is a difference. Let's see the two. It doesn't look like it there, but I can tell. So this one is a little more cakey and this one is a little more chewy. So what we can see. It's more cakey. The flavor of the cake mix I used was chocolate fudge. And it does taste like, it's like a brownie. It's good, very soft. Let me try this one. This one though, is more like, tastes more like a cake brownie. Not a cake brownie, but it tastes like a chocolate cake with a brownie texture, if that makes sense. But this one tastes more like a fudge brownie. Very soft, chewy, very good. It's not your typical cookies, like a chocolate chip cookie, it's not like that. It's soft, it doesn't have like a crisp bottom. I could just sit here and eat them all because they're like really good. I love how simple this was, and I love how versatile it is, how you could change your cake mix and then you have a whole new cookie. If you go to TikTok and search Cool Whip cookies, you'll come up with all different kinds of flavors. Also, of course, you can go to Pinterest and they're all over Pinterest also. I highly recommend this. Super easy and they are delicious. So if you've ever made Cool Whip cookies, let me know in the comments below and let me know what flavor cake mix you used. Alright, so this was one of 3 recipes I have for you today. So, so far so good. So that brings me to the Christmas movie quotes. I'm going to have 3 for today. This is the first one. Does someone need a hug? It's my favorite. So if you watch the channel at all, you should know what that movie is. Okay, so let me know in the comments below, and I will see you soon for the next recipe. Bye!